Hello everyone. So I ended up starting out with wanting to make this into an SVG to use on Tinkercad, but it did not work as planned. So I'm showing you guys my process that I used, and I actually ended up making it into a wallpaper. So it's really cool. It actually kind of looked like a poster when I was finished. This is a picture from Hidden Love. It's a Chinese drama. So I imported a picture to the Sketchbook app, and then I just outlined it with a different color. I did have to end up changing the lines back to black again, but to see them as I was tracing over the photo, I used yellow. So I traced all the little lines, and then the little details. I tried to do the hands and the other parts as best as I could, and then the little wrinkles and stuff on the clothes and the backpacks and things. The face part was really hard to do because I couldn't see the faces super well. It was a little blurry, so it was a little harder to do. But once I was finished outlining everything, I did have to go back in and make sure all the lines were connected. Otherwise when I fill this in with color, the little sections would color in other parts that I didn't want. So you gotta make sure that little area that you want colored is fully connected together, or it will color other parts. So when I was finished doing this, I did not show this on video because I ended up doing this later, but I added color by using the fill tool and then just filling in spots. I hope you guys enjoy. Here is the final result.